This is the existing table for my boat, and I've taken it apart to clean that up. I started sanding the first board. You can see it does look pretty good. The sanders that I'm using are these two. I watched some videos and people are using rotary sanders, and I've always been taught that you have to sand with the grain. So a rotary sander doesn't make any sense to me, but the results were pretty nice. So I have a lot of work to do, prep to do before I even start assigning any kind of finish work to it. But you can see it's a nice table. It does come up like this, and then there's a clever little method on the bottom that there's a board comes across here. It pivots out, and then it holds this guy up. I can't reach it. And then it has the piano hinges here, and I've taken the piano hinge off of that one, and this board's turned out fairly good. Quite a bit more sanding to do on that. And this is the well, I guess we would call this the before. So it is a slow process. You take the wood and you sand it, and you sand it, and you sand it. And of course you have to unassemble it or disassemble it, and then sand it, and keep sanding it. And I have a long way to go. Obviously there's no sponsorship here, but I do like the Ryobi or Ryobi. And I'm particularly fond of this guy, which is a relatively new purchase, because the sandpaper actually just fastens with Velcro type of fastening to the bottom. Whereas this guy is a bit of a pain to assemble it and fasten it correctly, and it seems to come out a bit. But I like that guy. Anyway, just a quick progress shot to show that getting a few more pieces to start to get the varnish off. I still have a long way to go as far as sanding goes, but it's I think it is actually starting to look pretty good. Often it helps to have some sort of record of how the pieces are assembled, so that I can put them back the way they're supposed to be. So this is, in a previous video, I showed this little piece. I didn't show this little piece because I couldn't, but this rotates out to hold the leaf when it's in place, and then when it's supposed to be down, then this little piece slides back in. But I just wanted to do a quick video to show myself mostly what these pieces look like that I'm disassembling, so I know how to put it back together properly. There's a nice washer on both sides of this to help it rotate. So it looks like whoever, well, my friend Louis Norris, who has since passed, did this for me the last time, and it looks like he didn't take it apart. He just varnished on top of it. Well, I'll take it apart and get that varnish off of there.